Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me, folks. Welcome to Just Cook DC. Sometimes you just gotta get out of the kitchen and enjoy. Let somebody else cook for you, folks. Join me. I'm in Nairobi, beautiful city in the sun, in Kenya. There's this dish that I grew up eating. It's called Chips Masala. And Chips Masala is just it's French fries cooked in aromatics, masala sauce, tomatoes, cilantro, some onions. I mean, it's a delight. It's a delight to have. I hear there's a place in a suburb called Ruaka. It's in Kiambu County, which is just right next to Nairobi, the city. And we're gonna try it out. I've had some really good feedback about this place, and I hear there are some really good chips masala. So we're gonna go out there and try it out. Well, if you haven't liked, subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do it. We're currently in Nairobi, so we're gonna be highlighting some good food, some different cuisines. We're out of the kitchen, obviously. So come with me on this one. Let's go to Ruaka, Kiambu County, and try some chips masala. All right, let's do this. All right, so we're here, Justin's in Ruaka. All right, let's go check it out, man. I hear they have one of the best chips masala. Let's check it out. And there it is, right on top of the menu. First thing on the menu.
Kenyan coffee.
So as I sit here, wait for my wet fry quarter chicken with chips masala. Man, I haven't had chips masala in a long time. And then actually, let me rephrase that. I haven't had a good chips masala in a long time. Let's check this one out. Woo! That is piping hot. Jesus. Man, Kenyan tea and coffee is just hot. Let's kill all the jams in there. I think we've learned the art of superheating water and milk. Okay. Oh, this place looks good. Great ambience. Not big, but who needs a big space if you have a good product? It's open, breeze comes in, ample seating. I guess, like I said, it's not so big, but yeah, it is a big place. So it's hang tight. There is the chicken, wet fried. Uh, just means it's just not dry. And there is the chips masala. This looks good, folks. Smells great. Nice presentation. Look at that. All right, let's dig in. All right. Oh, that is the chips masala I'm used to. This is amazing. Crispy, soft. I don't know how crispy and soft comes together. Cilantro, onions, the masala sauce in there. This is good. Folks, and there you have it. If you ever feel like having some great chips masala, check out these folks in Ruaka doing their thing. I would recommend this place highly. Justin's in Ruaka. Hit the like, hit the subscribe. Join me for another video.